Hey guys, as of today, it is easier than ever before to create a faceless, successful YouTube channel. Using a new AI tool that I will be showing to you in this video, you'll be able to create a video within 5 minutes that will put together your audio, your script, and your music with only one prompt template. Just stick to this video and you'll be able to do a video like this.
Have you ever wondered how the digital world is revolutionizing the way we do business? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. We are living in an era where traditional business models are being rapidly transformed.
So guys, I'm just finished downloading my video, and as of today, you'll be learning how to do this right now. First thing you need to do is to choose your niche. The very best niches that I suggest to you are money making, like online business, travel, success, and love. These are niches that almost all the time works. So choose one and go over to ChatGPT, and I like to use Opera Min, like, because it already comes with ChatGPT built in. So come over to ChatGPT with your niche. In this video I'll be choosing the business because it's what I already do, so it will be very understandable. So after choosing your niche, just come over to ChatGPT, copy this script that I'll be leaving on the description. This is how it's gonna create. This is how you are gonna create your video, because apart from the niche, you need to know the type of video you'll be creating. So instead of hurrying yourself and giving too much headache, just come to ChatGPT and write and copy and paste this script right here. So suggest a creative video ideas within niche. I'll put online business that can be produced using stock footage, right, available online, right. I am looking for engaging concepts that will captivate my audience and effectively convey the essence of online business. Remember, you put the business that you want, right? Or you put the niche that you want. So let's go. So ChatGPT just generated me these contents that will be using in my video. So these are the contents that I will be giving to create my video. So I'll choose one of the scripts. MC educational tutorials, how to guide, okay, introductive section, client. Yeah, these are fine, but there are other ways that you can do this. It's just by copying the second script. This one, you just copy the script. If that's not what you want, you can just refresh and regenerate. It will create another options, but you can also put this one and choose, just change here where it says niche, put your niche and put the online business, right? Online business. Yeah, give me 10 viral video ideas that I can create in the online business niche that can be created using stock footage. For example, top 10 online business that can be here. Top 10 online business, where I put top 10 online business you can do on your phone. You can like go to YouTube and put your niche and see whichever topic or the title that is on top, like to give the example to the ChatGPT. So I put this title here. So I didn't go over that step so that the video won't be too long, and yeah, there you go. After you generate the titles and the description of the video, I would go for one. Let me see, the evolution of e-commerce viral timeline. Yeah, I can go for this one. Let's go for this one, guys. This is a completely new. This will blow off your mind. After this step, you won't believe, you won't, bro. Up to now I don't understand, because this is, bro, this is very revolutionary. So